a little roofing filter demo. Now, I was listening to this fellow and I decided to tune off frequency until he was pumping the in and out in the IF chain like he is now. Listen, look at the S meter. That's using the default 6 kilohertz roofing filter. Watch when I engage the 3 kilohertz roofing filter. Watch. Gone. The first time, now you can hear a little chatter off frequency. The first time I did that, I heard an SP something calling CQ way down in the noise. Wasn't even moving the S meter, and he was perfectly copyable with a 3 kilohertz roofing filter. When I put the default 6 kilohertz roofing filter back in, again, he was immediately, obviously, gone by the pumping, which is gone. He's not transmitting right now. I was going to say when he's, maybe he is. Let's see. Let's listen to him. Okay, so look how strong he is, right? I'm going to pause you and we'll tune him in. Hang on. Well, let's tune him in together.
We are good conditions to the east, to the west.
He's in Germany.
Actually, this morning, signals are way louder than they have been 2 days ago, and even louder than yesterday. Mark, case Alpha Papa, the L5RDW.
He has some astounding communications audio, a little bit bassy, punchy. Yeah, punchy.
That's for sure tonight. From California to Germany, that's for sure. Yeah, I guess if it was easy, we would not be having any fun.
When the fellow in Germany comes back, let's compare his audio using the default receiver bandwidth of 2400 hertz. And I'll rotate the knob and we'll see if his audio changes any at a setting of 4 kilohertz. If it doesn't change significantly, then he's using good communication audio. If he becomes super bassy and sounds like the voice of God, then yeah, he's going for audio, not DX audio.
DL5RBW K6DAP.
Very good, Mark, and congratulations for the upgrade to X.
2400 hertz.
Certainly gives you more privileges and working on 20 meters in band segments that you only could listen before. But anyhow, very good, and yeah, it's really amazing how good the conditions are. I just wait for the meters to open up on a more regular basis to your part of the United States, but so far no real opening.
When I rotate my bandwidth control to 4 kilohertz, he becomes muddy. When I return, and it because it's making him artificially bassy, it's adding in low end that he's not trying to have. And when I rotate it back to 2400 hertz, 2.4 kilohertz, then he becomes very nicely understandable with punch and clarity.
Your local time, 10 minutes past 6 o'clock Sunday morning. Kilo 6 Zulu Alpha Papa. Here is DL5RBW.
Okay, 73. Again, thanks for the contact. And
a little nighttime babble because, dear God, Blitzen we just went for a walk, and he saw something in a ditch. And his leash went taut, and the next thing I knew, he was out of it. He was out of his collar, and he was on his way. And I saw this white stripe headed straight for him. I did a flying tackle with my arms around his neck, and I tackled him to the ground. I wrestled his collar back on, got him up, and dragged him the fuck on out of there in the opposite direction. Thank God the adult skunk went the other way. They got to within 3 feet of each other. As I sat there kneeling next to Blitzen, putting his shit back on. Oh, I haven't done anything a flying tackle around the neck? Damn. I haven't done that since my hockey playing days. Take care, 73, and I'll see you later, guys. Bye now.
And it does cool down pretty nice in the early morning, so about 50 degrees.
Check it out. This fellow sounds like he's maybe 35. Yeah, he got into amateur radio, he just explained, in the year 1956. Ha! Damn, I think I'm living wrong. Jesus, I sound 90, and my man here sounds 30.